Coach Kelly, and I'll be your teacher for the Concepts in PE, online Concepts in PE class this semester. Now, this class is a strictly online class, so we won't be meeting in person, but I just want to give you an opportunity to kind of put a face to the name. Just kind of tell you a little bit about myself. I'm starting my 17th year of teaching here at Lee Summit North. I'm currently the head boys and girls soccer coach, as well as the lead teacher for our PE department. For this online class, I've been teaching for a couple years now and kind of helped develop and grow in the class. I think it's a lot of fun. It's a really good class. It helps you find a lot of different ways to be active, find ways to be active throughout your community, and just to try to implement and integrate fitness and activity within your life. So I hope you find a lot of different activities. You find a real enjoyment for being active, for working out or running or whatever it is that you might find appealing to you. We got a lot of information here, so make sure you go through this folder here in our Schoology class to get all the information so that you're set up to be successful in the class. If you ever have any questions, feel free to send me an email. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Good luck, and we look forward to all the success and fun you're going to have this semester.